Hey folks, let's get up here and talk for a few minutes. Look right here, folks. Right there in front of your face. This came in on today. Look who it came to. On today, folks. This is the flyer. That flyer there bought it in. Guys, great things are happening. I'm telling you what, if you can mail a flyer or a postcard, folks, you can flood your mailbox. January is coming. Are you in position? Are you in any position to win into 2020? Are you ready to win, folks? 2020, folks, is going to be an outstanding year. Folks, Crystal Curry said I can't make this up. Folks, let me tell you what, we've got some powerful direct mail flyers, folks. If you can mail a flyer, remain consistent, you can win. Folks, I'm talking about, you're looking at receipts, folks. Receipts, folks, over $700 come in one single day in these programs, folks. Absolutely amazing, folks. The cash and money order machine, folks, is absolutely exploding. Folks, the Millionaire Mailer has already exploded. People are still joining. The Millionaire Mailer, folks, has been around for about 7-8 years now and still joining. People are still joining. Today, the Millionaire Mailer, every single day we have signups. Folks, I'm telling you what, if you want to win big, you start mailing these flyers and you do it over and over and over and over again. Folks, there's the Millionaire Mailer. You can win. Somebody join the Millionaire Mailer too. Absolutely powerful. They utilize the mailing list. Y'all know that program. Absolutely powerful. Folks, we've got the mailing list. Again, if you can just put it into this flyer, this envelope right here, this airmail envelope, folks, look at that thing. That thing's powerful. When people see that, it will resonate with them and they will make a decision to get involved with you. And folks, that right there is direct mail done right. And it is absolutely powerful. Folks, you're talking about income to infinity. Over and over and over again, folks. Folks, I went out to the mailbox, didn't even know this was coming. I want to welcome our new member. I believe Rodney joined. Rodney is a partner in Airmail Infinity Income with us. He decided to take the plunge with us into this program right here, folks. I am ecstatic. I'm nothing special, folks. I am nothing extraordinary. I just follow simple steps. I do it over and over and over and over again. And folks, we sell these products. And when you sell these products, guys, and services, you can win. Now, folks, when you partner with us for a limited time, you can join the cash and money order machine flyer, folks. And we're going to grandfather you into the 1,000, folks, for a limited time, into December 31st. Folks, now we have many levels of participation. We have a level for everybody. Let me go over the levels, folks. We have the $2. Folks, we have the $5, $10, $20, $50, $100, $200, $500, and the $1,000 mega cash machine. Now, folks, when you join for a limited time, when you join the $200 level, we're going to give you $200 and everything less. Now, when you join at the 500, we're going to give you the 500 and everything less, and grandfather you into the 1,000, folks. I am going to be showing videos of people joining at the $1,000 level. Folks, this thing is on fire. It's red hot. Let me show you what you get when you get involved. Folks, when you get involved, your product, let's talk about the product that's involved with this program. Folks, when you join, upon confirmation of payment, you will receive your welcome kit, folks, product, along with your master copy of this flyer with your name in position number 1. You will also, when you join that $1,000 level, you're going to receive 750 names on pill and stick labels, plus information on where to get the best mailing list. Folks, when you join the $500 flyer, you're going to get $500 and 2 books of stamps. Folks, that is absolutely powerful. When you, on number 2, your overrides, you're going to get $100 and 2 books of stamps. Folks, do you see the money-making potential of getting all these stamps? Folks, your mailbox can be flooded with this. Is the biggest expensive. We can show people how to save money on stamps. Folks, we will win, you will win, and you can win big. Folks, this is exciting to bring you this video. Zig Ziglar had it right, folks. Help enough people get what they want, and you can have everything in life that you want. Folks, give this video a thumbs up. Smash that like button, guys. Hit that like button if you appreciate this video. You want me to keep them coming? Hey, guys, hit that like button. And guys, if you hadn't got your order in the mail, get it done now. Folks, and get ready to get positioned to win. Super excited, guys, about what's going on with this program. Super excited about you coming and being a part of it and helping enough people get what they want and getting everything that you want. The Millionaire Mailer, folks, when you join the Millionaire Mailer, look what you're going to get. You're going to get the mail report. You're going to get a marketing kit. You're going to get leads. You're going to get a camera-ready copy of your flyer, folks. Look at the products that you're getting, the value, folks. We even have a conference call every Tuesday night at the Millionaire Mailer. Folks, this is the direct mail done right. Instant cash solution, folks. Make $100 to $500 per day. That thing's producing, guys. It is an absolutely exciting program. Go to that website, check it out, guys. Hit that like button. And guys, that's the Instant Postcard Wealth. All right, guys, if you enjoyed the video, guys, give it a thumbs up. Get into this cash and money order machine, guys. Join the Millionaire Mailer. Get started, guys. Make sure you join that Pro Stamp Club Flyer 100. Guys, start getting 100 stamps delivered. Mail that flyer with every one of your mailings, folks, and you can win big. All right, folks, have a wonderful evening. Bye for now, guys. Until the next video.